Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Benazir Shams. I am lecturer in computer science at Government College for Women, Khairpur, Miras. I have completed my Master of Information Technology degree in 2003 from Shah Abdul Latif University, Khairpur. After that, I have done MScs degree. Today, I am here to deliver online lecture on the topic computer storage as prescribed by the Sindh College Lecturers YouTube channel. This channel was designed by College Education Department for delivering online lectures due to COVID-19. This topic I taught at my college for the student of BSc 1 and BCom 1 classes. Computer storage. Computer data storage is a technology consisting of computer components and recording media that are used to retain digital data. Digital data is the data which is in digits, in binary numbers, in zeros and ones. Storage devices are the computer hardware used to remember or store the data. It is a core function of computer. Types of storage devices: primary storage, secondary storage. There are two types of storage devices used with computers: primary storage device such as RAM and ROM, secondary storage device such as hard disk drive. It can be removable, internal or external. Secondary storage is composed to store the data on disk. Disk is a physical storage medium. Disk may be removable, portable, and it is internal or external. It is plugged inside the CPU, or sometimes it may be plugged for the facility of users to plugged outside of the primary storage. RAM is commonly called as memory. It is considered as primary storage. It is acronym for random access memory. It stores data that is directly accessible by the computer system. It is also called as volatile memory. It is temporary storage device. It stores the data until current is on. RAM is a relatively expensive storage device and typical capacities are measured in gigabytes GB. RAM, R for random, A for access, M for memory. It is a volatile memory, means when we start the computer, the first of all data comes in the RAM. Suddenly, when the light has been switched off, data has been vanished from the RAM. RAM stores data in GBs. Byte is unit of memory storage, and storage capacity to store the data in RAM is in GB. Computer operating with a capacity of RAM have better performance and multitasking capabilities. Multitasking capabilities means to perform more than one operations simultaneously. Primary storage divided into two types, RAM and ROM. RAM further divided into two types, DRAM and SRAM. ROM is further divided into three types, PROM, EEPROM and EE. RAM, its importance and drawbacks are given here as under: enable faster access to data, load and run operating system. Drawbacks includes relatively expensive memory, and it is volatile memory. Any data stored in RAM is lost when powered is. RAM types: DRAM and SRAM. DRAM stands for dynamic random access memory. The most common type of RAM in use is DRAM. The data needs to be continually refreshed, otherwise it fades away. Contents are refreshed 1000 times per second. Continually refreshing the data takes time and reduces performance speed. Access time 60 to 70 nanoseconds. It is cheaper than SRAM. It's one of the advantage of DRAM is that it is cheaper than SRAM. So once again I want to explain this topic. DRAM Dynamic random access memory, it is type of RAM. So as it is type of RAM, it is also volatile. It is the most common type of RAM which is used in RAM. RAM drawback is that it continuously its contents of data needs to be refreshed, and refreshing speed is in a single second it refresh its content 1000 times. This reduces the performance speed of RAM, and the access time of DRAM is 60 to 70 nanoseconds. It is used in main memory. SRAM stands for static random access memory. Data on SRAM does not require refreshing, whereas in DRAM data almost requires to be refreshed its content again and again. However, the technology is bulkier, meaning less memory per chip. Use 6 transistors to store the data. Transistor developed at Bell Laboratory of USA in 1948. It is a semiconductor material which is made up of from silicon. Access time 60 to 70 nanoseconds. Both SRAM and DRAM access time is same, that is 60 to 70 nanosecond. It is more expensive than DRAM. It is more faster than DRAM. It consumes less power. It is commonly used in cache memory. Now what is cache memory? It is a high medium storage device. When RAM becomes full, then data is transferred in cache memory. Cache is 10 times faster than RAM but 100 times more expensive than ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. It is a non-volatile memory chip whose contents cannot be altered. It is often used to store the startup routines in a computer, e.g. the BIOS, basic input-output functions such as graphic card, hard disk, DVD drives, etc. ROM is a non-volatile memory. ROM stands for read-only memory. Its content as RAM are volatile. Its RAM contents has been erased, whereas ROM contents couldn't be erased. It is used to start up routines of the computer such as BIOS. BIOS stands for basic input-output function, and the function includes to start graphic card, hard disk, DVD drives, etc. Types of ROM. 3 types of ROM includes PROM, stands for programmable read-only memory. EEPROM stands for erasable programmable read-only memory. EEPROM stands for electronical erasable programmable read-only. PROM, unlike RAM, PROM is non-volatile memory. It contains remains permanently that cannot be erased or changed. Retains the contents even when the current is turned off. PROM is written only once. Once PROM is programmed, the program cannot be altered or erased. Its contents are pre-recorded by the manufacturer. A company records the contents of PROM. PROM, EEPROM, EEPROM. EEPROM use UV light radiation to erase data electronically. When PROM has been programmed only once, then some mistakes if done, then EEPROM is used. EEPROM provides facility to erase the data by using UV light radiations, ultraviolet light radiations. How it erases the data? It erases the data 1 byte at a time. EEPROM data is erased in the ROM. EEPROM can be erased using electronic impulses, higher voltages, enable ROM to input new data. Now here the data has been erased in EEPROM. Now if certain changes wants to take place, then EEPROM is used. EEPROM enable ROM to input data. A new program has been recorded in the EEPROM. Flash memory. It is a new age memory device mostly used nowadays for storing the data. It is a non-volatile memory. Data couldn't be lost, data couldn't be erased. It stores data permanently as required by user. It erases the data as user wish. It is considered as advanced EEPROM, electronical erasable programmable read-only memory. Therefore, sometimes it is considered as type of ROM. Primarily used in memory card and USB flash drive. Flash memory, its applications and its benefits are mentioned here as under. Application includes saving and transferring documents, etc. Memory card and digital cameras. Fast speed with no moving parts of boot up time. Benefits include it is portable, it is small in size and have lightweight device. Durability, flash has no moving parts to damage. Different size of capacities are available in the market easily. Secondary storage devices. To store data for long time, secondary storage devices are required. It is non-volatile memory, which means it stores data and all instructions permanently on disk. It is less expensive and less speedy than primary memory. Data storage capacity is more than primary memory. It is the advantage of secondary storage device. It means it is less expensive, it is cheaper in price than secondary storage than primary storage device, and it stores data more as compared to primary memory. Example include hard disk, compact disk, floppy disk, optical and magnetic disk. Hard disk drive, simply known as HDD. Hard disk drives are non-volatile magnetic storage devices capable of remembering vast amount of data. An electromagnet in the read-write head charges the disk surface with either a positive or negative charge. This is how binary 1 or 0 is represented. Actually, what happened in hard disk drive, two type of heads are present. One is known as reading head, other is known as writing head. The data is read or write it with the binary digits 1 or 0. 1 shows the presence of data and 0 shows the data is off. The write head is then capable of detecting the magnetic charges left on the disk surface. This is how data is read. The disk surface is divided into concentrated circle tracks and storage wedges. Dividing the surface in this way provides physical address to remember where data is saved. Typical hard disk drive capacities are measured in terabytes. They can be installed inside a computer or purchased in a portable external form. Application for hard disk drives are: it is used in desktop computers, used in laptop computers, TV and satellite recorders, servers and mainframe computers. Portable external drives are sometimes used to backup home computers or transfer large. Benefit of hard disk drives are: it is capable of holding vast amount of data at affordable prices. It is low in cost. Fast read and write speeds, reliable technology, relatively small optical storage device. Compact disc, DVD and Blu-ray disc are optical storage devices. CD stands for compact disc. It stores audio and small amount of data. DVD stands for digital video disc. It stores standard definition movies and data, means it stores audio plus video plus some small amount of data. DVD, despite being the same physical size, a DVD can hold more data than a compact disc. Blu-ray, it is used for making HD video and large amount of data. CD stores data up to 700 megabytes, whereas DVD stores data up to 4.7 gigabyte, and Blu-ray disc is used to store data in a huge amount from 25 GB to 128. Optical storage devices. CD stands for compact disc. It stores excess amount of data in compressed format. It stores data up to 700 megabyte. CD-ROM, as the name suggests, it is compact disc, read-only memory. CD-RW, compact disc, read and write. Blu-ray disc size is same as CD and DVD. Storing capacity is more than. DVD RAM, digital video disc, random access memory. It is one of the optical storage device. It differs from a traditional DVD in that data is stored in concentrated tracks like HDD, which allows read and write operations to be carried out at the same time. Now, one thing that differs DVD RAM to other optical discs is it has two types of heads, reading head and write head, but it provides facility that read and write both tasks occurs at one time simultaneously. For example, in CCTV system you could review footage with still recording your cameras. The capacity of DVD RAM is 4.7 gigabytes or 9.4 GB for double-sided disk. Double-sided disk have facility to store data from both sides of the disk. DVD RAM, its applications and benefits are given here as under. Applications include personal and digital video recorders. It is used in high-end CCTV cameras. Benefit includes read and write at the same time. It can be rewritten to many more than times than a traditional digital video disc read and write. Write protect tape to prevent accidental deletion means there occurs no danger the data has been deleted. Data is retained for an estimated 30 years. This is long life is great for archiving data. Solid state drives, SSD. Solid state drives are non-volatile storage devices capable of holding large amount of data. They use NAND flash memories, millions of transistors wired in a series on a circuit board, giving them the advantage of having no mechanical moving parts and therefore immediate access to the data. SSD is access of data with a high speed. They use NAND flash memories. As we know, as I told in my earlier slide, that flash memory is advanced EEPROM. Now this here flash memory use NAND function. NAND function means when millions of transistors plugged on a single circuit board, then a single solid state drive has been composed. And another advantage is that its moving parts, mechanical parts couldn't be moved. It should be settled very tightly, so no danger should be feel that its parts could be moved, so no loss of data. Solid state drives perform faster than traditional hard disk drives, however they are significantly more expensive. This expense means that typical capacities are usually measured in gigabytes. They can be installed inside a computer or purchased in a portable external format. The lack of moving part in an SSD make it very robust and reliable, ideal for portable device. Portable device means those devices which are easily carryable from one place to another place, such as smartphones, mobile, laptop, iPads, etc. solid state drives. Its applications and benefits are mentioned here as under. Application includes it is used in smartphones, in tablet computers, in high-end laptops. Portable drives are sometimes used in HD video cameras. Benefits include extremely fast read or write speeds, small in physical size and very light, ideal for portable devices. No moving parts to wear, fail or get damaged, ideal for making portable computers and devices more reliable and durable. Uses less power than a HDD, increasing battery lifetime. Very quiet, it can't make noise while functioning. Generate less heat. Memory storage topic complete. Thanks a lot.